Hey everyone, and welcome to my very first video. If you like Hytale, if you're interested in game development or love seeing creative ideas come to life, you are in the right place. Today I want to introduce myself, share what this channel is going to be all about, and show you some of the projects I've already been working on. So let's start with the most important part first. What is my plan for this channel? The main goal is to build a community. I want to connect with players, developers, and anyone who simply wants to learn how games and mods are made. My personal mission is to establish myself within the Hytale modding community, and with a little bit more experience, I want to take on much larger projects, and some of my crazy ideas I have for this game, and yeah, I want to do this together with people on the internet. I want to meet lots of talented people. I want to work together with a lot of people, and I would be very excited to do so. So for me, it's all about learning from others and sharing what I learn along the way. I've always had a massive interest in game development, and this channel is where um, this passion will meet the world of Hytale. And what I want to make clear is that this will not be like a typical tutorial channel, as at least I'm not planning to do so. Um, it will be more of a journey I share, how I will learn or how I am learning right now to use the tools for creating stuff in Hytale. Of course, I think it's very nice to see someone learn and maybe try to yes, learn together, learn with me. But it's definitely not like this is how you do it tutorial type of channel. So yeah, we will see what it will come to. I also want to answer the question why start this channel now and not a little bit earlier, because Hytale has been out for I think now 5 or 6 months. So yeah, why start this channel right now? Um, so for me, I was completely the last 11 months I was traveling in South America, and the release of Hytale came very surprising. I have been following the game since the trailer dropped, I think 2018. I was super hyped for the game, and I was so sad to hear that it is being cancelled. Um, but then in like a month or two, I don't really remember how things were going, but I saw the first like Twitter posts from Simon, and then the game actually released, and I couldn't play it. I started to play the first time in a internet cafe in Peru, actually, I think. But I only looked at it a little bit, and after I followed the updates, I started to gather ideas. I started to write stuff down, and 2 weeks I'm back home in Germany now. So for about 2 weeks I've been trying to get more into Hytale and not only the theoretical part. So now let's talk about what I've been doing for these 2 weeks. My current and a little bit of my future, near future plans. So, my first thing I did was design not really a custom texture. I literally just copied the diamond texture into Blockbench and learned how to implement custom blocks into Hytale. I think that's very interesting, especially because it's so easy and also kind of fun. I'm very excited to get more into texturing and actually doing custom blocks with custom, custom properties, custom things to do with, because this block is very simple. You can see in the video it's just a simple texture block. It has the sounds of a stone block and the break sound, the break effects from a stone block. Very simple hotbar texture as well. So yeah, just a simple first project, but I had fun. I have been also working on modeling a custom staff or a custom weapon for Hytale. I kind of failed to do this. I have a problem where the model is way too tiny when I implemented it, and I also kind of struggled to implement it because I didn't watch a tutorial. I tried to do it on my own to learn better, to actually remember what I learned from implementing the custom block. But yeah, that was my second project, and right now I'm working on my first actual gameplay modeling idea, a rune sword, where the idea is that I leave open those parts you can see in the reference picture. It's there where I got this idea from. It's a very simple idea, but I wanted to make a model of it, and maybe I will try to add some recipes, some gameplay features behind it if I can, but we will see. Before I'm going to end this video, I have one more thing to share. I've officially set up a Discord server for this channel. It's going to be the central hub where we can chat, share ideas, and talk about Hytale modding. You can find the invite link right down in the description below, or you can look in the channel info. If you want to follow my journey, learn game development with me, and see these Blockbench models in action, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and thank you.